If you think of Eswatini comedy, you think of Gogo and Slwane. Tell me if I'm lying.
Okay,
who do you think of when you think of Eswatini comedy? You should have an answer, Genyalo, ngoba angeke uzuthi ayinani so you don't come with facts. Those are my facts. When you can't just say no.
Okay,
what are yours?
Okay, man. Ami ngorona mora njoba ngichazile. Vani.
Amakhumuli naswathini khona eqiniso. Basha sponsor. Onke futhi enwatiko nane enwatiko nina babukela emakhaya. Basha sponsor mina I love their work. Ngasho nje njalo. Ngibathenza bonke mina. Bathenza bonke futhi mhlawumbe bonke nje la khona. Labo watiko.
Ngani ngapha ekwathanzeni kona nangathwani for opportunity nyakuthola isindawashiya.
Sashi
Bobani ke leningahamba la.
Satobuka
Uthe kubuka la.
Okay bana ngathini.
States la kadoda ngangibona ngicela bese state ukuthi there's a lot.
Sengathi ningisikhathi sekubaqheke sekubaphela.
It's finally happening, gents. It's finally happening, ne? It's finally happening. On the 30th, 30 November, Penwell the Black Pen, What's the Story, live podcast. Wonga mvuta bakhona. Guys, we need you guys to be there. 100 rand ticket, moja ticket la tholakala eMzimba View. Ndabe nifola ne chance ukuthi shay meet and greet one-on-one. Ngiyakhona ukuthi lapho nibuti imibuto bafethu, we finally making it happen. The first biggest live podcast in the country bafethu with Penwell the Black Pen. Make sure you check that one out. Superstar Rockstar Level bafethu, come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu, if you haven't subscribed, now boga subscribe nyalo. Please make sure ukuthi I pause the video, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment lana, most importantly share this video. Lokuthi sobukele phela bese ushelelana nabanye basharele nje batshelwe siphakathi inside we're back in the biggest YouTube channels bafethu, we are in the building. Njengenjwayelo shout out to Clear Story is doing it big for the culture bafethu. Silaka manzini and that's not bhanga kubomsali bafethu, but most importantly check it out on Instagram, check it out on TikTok, and check it out on Facebook. Everywhere satholakala bafethu. Bese ngithatha netombolo ngichaye around. Ngiyabothi nendafeni ekuthanze we local now konke lokho. You know the vibes, we got you guys. Njengamanje ngishayela igozo kimi, ngishaye play out bafethu konke kutholakala la khathi eClear Store bafethu. So hey bafethu eClear Store, hey sesingathini phela, make sure ukuthi bafethu nyaphula up. Njengenjwayelo make sure ukuthi sinilethele ama guest la caca ko bafethu, sinilethele ama guest enwafunako lenwacelako kuma comments bafethu. Ba guest esinawo namuhla hey makhulu kakhulu in the comedy scene, and angifuna ukuthi ngibe solomosha isikhathi kakhulu ngalokuthi ngiyathi lokuthi nabo sibavele bafuna ukucala ukukhuluma basitshele istory ukuthi what's the story, what's happening. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, King Mora and Ronnie in the building. Nebantu abatawupresseka namhla, nebantu abatawupresseka namhla. Yebo ithathe sisizokupresseka, ngathi ngisisi noma ngi-Andy noma ngimako kupresseka.
Angeke ngikhulume mina banini bami ngoba ulaceleni tavela ungonakalele. Ngiyangimake mina utawupresseka. Awathi ukuthi ngima kwasisi.
Hawu, ubumvani.
Usedeke.
Oh. Okay, kabonakala. Njengenjwayelo uhamba kepha ngibabe bani introduce ngibabe bani kepha uhamba naye.
Ngihamba nandimanzi.
Phela lona ngiboba kakho ufana introduce noma
uyadada ngidimanzi sekufuna ukuthi ngim-introduce in.
Oyithathe Roneke endimanze ukuthi namhla sibekwa yini la lisuka liyahlala.
Ngironi wasikhonza sibongo aka Mdimanze ngendvodza yakhe ke lo make lo. Father of one cause lo munye umfana ngimati. Uzobeleka ngibili. Lo. Beleka kabili. Lo munye angimati. Yeah, ngwakhe naye wami.
Ayisho ukuthi ngwakho.
Uwami phela ngosi uyazi.
Usho ngani ukuthi ngwakho phela because
usashada soon. Ngeke ngishada ubonga siwami.
Manje lokuthula kukhona yini guys enivele nicala nilo nyalo.
Okay, before vele bekhwela bushiwishi na in party. Ever since nga propose so ngcono.
Nisengashadi umshado
uyedwa umshado mhla ka8.
Uhlangana
okay, hometown to steak. Base steak but yena bekahlala kaManzini. Afunza kaManzini nafunza steak. So high school from 4 wasuka la.
Okay, wait. Sikhuluma ngaRoni nyalo na King Mora. Bese siyafika ekupressekeni. Kuthi leyo nihlangana naphi? Nyalo
Sihlangana khona le
Yes,
esikolweni.
bese ngifuna kwente ama-viewers understand.
Okay, okay. Asihlangana esikolweni ka form 4 njengoba bese ngishilo ukuthi wasuka la wayehla wayesteki. Asifike esteki sahlangana ke. Just nami bengenta lokho ukuposta nje yabo ema-jokes ku-Facebook. Sengakuthathi serious until wefika yena. Kwangikhani ke sa mhlawumbe wabona i-potential kimi nami ngabona i-potential kuye ukuthi we can do something. Sahlanganisa sasinasicala kwenta lapho abamfana besikolo kwachuma basithanza, then from then saqhubeka sayimbili up until now.
Kunjani kusebenza nale jaha?
Okay, into lengidiscover la ngayisho njengoba asho ukuthi sihlangene 2020 right la siqale khona i-comedy esteki. Ukhohle lokusho ukuthi ngihletlela kamanzini for 10 years. Because vele okay, nekubela esteki ngiyeke kufunza esteki kwangithatha isikhathi lesithe just to adjust lenzawo. Because mina bese ngitela ukuthi kunabo street lights all the stuff. Yabona. So kwasasa isikhathi lesithe vele ukuthi ngikhone because kuningi lokubekwendeka le para ngazama but vele first bengisejele. Yabo.
Isekushele ekhaya manje. Ekhaya sekusejele.
No, like ku-adjust akuhlala lena. Angithi uyadinda manje ukuthi mina ngihleti la for 10 years. Kufana nawe nje banele. Utawusuka nyalo la mvanami. Because nawe songumvanami. Usuke uye kohlala maybe enzaweni lethide maybe enzaweni letikhashela bomangani le la ungatayela ihlala khona. That's isikhathi ukuthi u-adjust. Yabona. So ngiko lokubeza kuyangi-affecta nami empilweni but just because ngathi ngidawenda njani because vele impilo kanjalo. So I decided ukuthi ngihlale. And then angisuka la ngiyale esikoleni la ngafunza khona is not like bengifuna kuya khona right. I just remember beta batongicela kule sikole bengifunza kiso. Babhala application form babaleke sicela namfana nangathi ufunza lesikolweni. Just athi singetela ivelu.
Hawu.
Yes.
Hawu. Uyayivuma Ntimanze le.
Lo akwathi lo bengisengani.
Bengamele akufuna vuma kusingoma ngisivela kati lutho. Bekungimi le bengiyakufunza babhalela mina. Yena ngahlangana naye endleleni. Ngamkhanza okay kumkhanza kwami beka ngasiko nje ngazama ke kumtsinzitha ukuthi abe ngumuntu. Abe ngumuntu.
Hey, uyathathela liphara lakho.
Buka yomhla ukuthi ugqoke njani.
Manje ngasi Ntimanze uneliso phela sebrema nyalo nakwenza umuntu so siyalunguda.
Uyathi.
Sivumelekile.
Otherwise siyabonga Banele all the stuff. Ronnie sihlangana 2020 njengoba sachazile esikolweni. Yabo I think uNkulunkulu asihlanganisa. Masicala le comedy because I just remember bekufuna ngiyofunza eSteke Town mina not emakhaya. Libombo Central. Sebangisethe bathi ngihambe ngolanza yini bathini lo engathi kwasesikolweni lo high school.
Acceptance letter.
Yebo ukuthi batawuvuma ukuthi vele yabo. Ngasina ngiyalena kwakhanza wathi baphutha lo teacher wabalekisha ngicela ubuye Monday bangivalela sikhala le. Because vele bekuvele kuyinzawo libangazi bengivele ngidayithola ngathi nangifika le ngamkhanza ke. Beka nokuposta ka Facebook adlabhala ama jokes ebhodini all the stuff yabo but nje mina ngingadijeli ukuthi mhlambe ikhona lwesingakwenza. Then ke saqala ke sena emavideo okay le idea comment ngeke ngisho siyaqhamuka kimi. Yaqhubena beyiqhamuke ngaye. Mina ngikhanza yena but ngimkhanza uyabona ukuthi umele ibus kanzi utele ibus.
Like some ucuzo ukuthi stand alone comedian type of
Exactly.
Usi bengedvana ngihle ngiposta lokho ama jokes ka Facebook invite kanjalo. Ngisengakuthathi serious yabo. Ngisedele ngasebenza naye. Nami ngisengaphuma ukuthi mhlambe because bengisaposta ama jokes ngisengaphuma ukuthi mhlambe ngihamba ngiyoperform or something or ngende video. Bengibonela nje for fun post ama jokes.
Wathi uyena njani comedy ngoba umuntu nakakubuka nje ubona umuntu lo tithulele umuntu lo reserved.
Angisho phela comedy i-comedy ihlukahlukene. Nawuthiwa stand up nawuthiwa ku-clown angise clown khona bahlekisi yabo so mina initially vele bengalaka stand up ngeke ukuthi okay bakhona abaclown along the way.
But still umuntu nakakukhomba nje nathi i-comedian lena hayi is not make sure until maybe uzoqala kungene eformini. Ngathi umfundisi nje wena.
Ayidala ngisumfundisi.
Okay lo ngamkhulumela ke kulo.
Yebo.
Ngiyakuva le ndlela uchaza ngoba because asengilokubekisela nje nangabe ungumfundisi. ufuna ukubonakala ngale character yakho nangabe uyi-comedian ubonakala ngale character yakho ngiyayiva le hlongo but kuba kuhlukene ukuthi ube le clown uphinde ube yi-comedian. He was doing his stand-up.
Yabo Trevor Noah nangathula ngibetha Trevor Noah nangathula nje angahlekisa emgwaqweni ngayozosho ukuthi comedian until umbona e-stage.
Because mina ngamkhanza awenda lama and bese ka recognize because I just remember first show yakhe bekana the late Smalls Steak Hotel. Nguye nje comedian
asiste Smalls the comedian.
Go onke like angifuni uqala manga. Go nje the Steak wasamelelwa nguye nami ngaba like oh expect this thing mina ngisho ukuthi kumkhanza ngikhanzana njengoba ngisho but sesiyahlangana ke nasihlangana ke sihlangana njengoba ngisho sihlangana 2020 siyaqala sende emavideo ya kona bengekho lula because lapha besingide kwekushootha singanalutho kwekushootha mhlambe sihamba siye umndini one smartphone yabo siye ukucela ukuthi sicela manje usana ushoothe ivideo
ngabo A03 call.
Yabo masifika lapha ende kuba likhuni ngalokuthi lo muntu masifika lapha vele utamkhanza mhlambe wonke ama calls akhe dawuhlala 30 minutes close to 40 minutes angisilemva uyatona ukuthi ofiseni sishuthe ke sibuye sisende ngalanga kithi inqondo tingashuthi kahle sambe so poster nasiposter sibe na 2 views
still ayikele futhi
kube view yami naye uzale still ayikele fast but sithi cha ukuthi kudalwa ngikwanga kuya sathola bo 50 views ngaba like mina kwaya bo 100 sayana ekana sesikoleni basupporta kakhulu esikoleni sethu lebesifunza khona
Nzangu
High School
kuphi
Nzangu Luthran.
Yes, Luthran High School. So nakhona basupporta kakhulu because bebasinika lethuba ukuthi
wela nyobe nje emashow mahala
phela nginabo chapel nayo yonke into yabo eyawona magnabo chapel all the stuff so besiye basinika lapha ngembele ukuthi just go then
5 minutes
basithandza abantu besikole basinika vele thanda ukuthi athi you guys you can go on ngalento. Then we decided ukuthi siqhubeke sizame sashaya ama video sihle sibabita Wednesday back chapel basifake emkhathini bani bayithandza le content bathandza nje le comedy. Emveni kwaloko kwaba nelanga legijima ikolo gijima eSimunye Stadium
sports day.
Yabo okay sivumelane na Ron asihambe ziye ukuthi market le lena ngina more than 3000 people nasifika le I mean okay mina ngihamba mina ngika kugijimela isikole kasi nje bengigijima asilanga ngifika le la case agijima
hayi vele akusho wena
okay sekwani ngifika ngifuna ukupressek angifuna so then ke okay sagijima then sekufuna ukuthi baba award laba winile and everything so abuye Ron game Ron usuke la ekhaya oyalena siyothi market nokuthi uyosupport isikole sakhe right then nasifika le sengamahloni mina sengesaba kale ngembili bantu bangana ngigcwele kusitha lapha e-stadium fike Ron siyasambe Blamora
ngena manje emadvolweni mora angisakhona
se labantu bangaka bathi mora sambe
mani ni rehearsile yini for lentakweni
okay bese lo shaya
esikolweni
yabo so besinako something esitafike sikhulume le
yes okay
so nasifika njengoba asho lena bagijimela isikolo fethi lesa sika order sesikhathi sekuthi kube na entertainment initially bengisevele mina usuke ekhaya siyo performa lena city market nasengithi mina mora asinyuke phela sela phethulu ku MC siyocela slot ukuthi manje chala ama jokes 5 minutes angena manje emadvolweni mora wesaba dala wesaba ngaba like mina phela mora sivumela ukuthi nasuka ekhaya nasifika lana safika eshaya bamba to khona kusada because ichayile esikolweni ngiyafuna shaye ebantwini outside of school sokuqhuba city market wesaba but sagcina sifike lesibindi sokuthi salesinyuka siyelitulu ku MC
because ngasiyela MC lapha yasho ukuthi nyalo kutafike ngene Ron King More
sesibhalisa nekubhalisa le nasekumele sesinyuke so ngena manje emadvolweni
ngibathi next labana bangaka Ron uthi asami
asesiyiphozeni lapho ema engine number nibobani ushito lakho angakuvusha lakho but nyalo ukuthi ngifuna ukuva ukuthi lo Ron na King More uchamuka lapha amagama enilapho
okay khuluma
Ron igama lambamba igama lambamba Ron likhona nama documents ngokasikhonzi yangishilo nje usasikhonzi yebo
King More
okay mina igama lami ngingizama ukuhle ngadla mina sibonga lela King More livele esikolweni nalivele esikolweni bengidlala ibhola mina
agijima udlala ibhola ukhona comedy.
So like angifuni ukukuye ngabe ngidlala ibhola and then okay ngadlala ne-team lenkulu ngayidlala la ngwane Manzini Wanderers under 13 15 17 nama-20 so nangidlala ibhola vele like I'm gifted ebholeni yabo because I even posted i-video yami nje ngabhala lapha ukuthi so bani bangirate so you can even go and watch noma mhlambe uyibukela angikwadi so ibhola bengidlala mina so bacala bangibita esikoleni ngazamora ngithishela sidlala ezakhela against Ingwane Park ngaperforma kahle kakhulu so
What position?
bengidlala 8 yabo attacking midfield so angibita ke thishela abe like you are doing well and everything vele abangijabulela emvalo ngicela ngiqhubeke sijime esikolweni sijime ngesporteni abaselect abadlali besikolo vele ngiperforme kahle emva kwalo tathi I know you king ngabe sengisusa loza mina ngafaka lo King Mora ngase sengiba ngihumora kanjalo ngasebenzisa legama ebholeni before libe la kule content so kwaba ligama nje lithi seligama lami nje because bengidlala ibhola ngayidlala emvalo ngabuya ke ngalanda nangibuya sengiqala icomedy ngasebenzisa lona ngathi I know angithi legama lisebenzisa akusali kuba ngilo King Mora because bekuthi ukuthi ngabe selonke iqamba lenye ligama kanali banginikile mangidlala ibhola
Nangala bholeni swethu ngaKing Mora.
ngala bholeni ngiyatiwa nangala ngifise ukuthi abati lona because go out ukuthi ngaluta banking Mora ngalana so ngibanele yebo at least banike maybe lo gama linye
Nguva kahle. Kwenkunze ema-sports laba bayinkunze ema-sports lesikolweni abavamisa ukuphetha incwadi. Encwadini khona bahamba.
okay encwadzini ngifrasha iqiniso bengiphasa mina esikoleni kakhulu
Khuluma Ron. Buka kuhleka Ron.
mina ngikutshala iqiniso like mina bengumfana lo focus
Bathi hayi njengami yebo chubeka.
okay man bengumfana lo focus
Ngiyishintsha ku vaccine wami.
khuleka ngilamphendule bengumfana lo focus mina esikolweni but indlela yabakhona abo nganela kuqala i-content comedy nakhona ngifaka nguye mina ngisho amathisha ami atakutshela ukuthi imora ngisho esikoleni bayagcoka kahle uniform alethe umsebenzi abhala notes yonke into bengiyenda right mina because kule sikole bengiqhamuka kiso bese very discipline bengifunda phela Joseph High School very discipline esikole lesa mawungabhali nje bebasika vele ngemzaka straight ngibe sure ukuthi I know ngiyabhala ngenda yonke into yabona hayi wangifaka le nto ema-comedy sengivela lapha kubhala ama-notes bangibide sebangishaya yabo sengifocus kakhulu ngala ngifaka nguye ngingumfana lo focus le mina esikoleni bengiphasa uportion 1 2 3 4 ngaphusha ngathi nangifika le ngathi ngizama ukufocus because ngifika ka form 4 bayasho ukuthi form 4 yakhahlela nangithi siyabona lana ukuthi ngifocus kakhulu hey nathi siyabhala sukuma awubhala ijoke lapha ebhodini ngase ngironi
Itsini le joke.
phela thina besibhala phela thina besifunda form 4 naye but labo form 4 bahlukene but baqale basibhica basinaba nasebaqedile base bamhlukanisa kuba na A na B so besiye sifunze kanye vele iclass lelikhulu so uyobhala ama-jokes lapha nayo yonke into kanti okay naloyo ukuthi bantu nje bathanze kwanza noma ngikhuluma into le-fun nje lengekho serious ahleke kakhulu hleke lonke le-class ngiba like bantu bahleka kangaka I just remember nje nganye limalanga basibhalisa yini bathini kuma-test log
Attitude.
yes noma ngathi attitude noma aptitude khona lapho so nabasibhalisa into leqhamuke lo munye umuntu lo msikathi afike asendise lapha lo sesilo that way ngadiscover khona ukuthi I can do lento bane lo sesiwahle kwakhala dinyembet like tears tehlo athatha i-t-shirt isulu I don't remember nokuthi ngashaya ijoke ngathini because lento bese ivele seyingenile wahleka lo kwaba like yabo this guy ngabona ngathi nje wahlala sengedwa ngebreak ngase mina kuse yathi sesihle kwazi wakhala dinyembet anyways ngamtshela lo ngathi kusathi nasisingale yabo and lama class bekeme kanje ukhanise ukuthi lo but vele libonza kuyavakala ukuthi bafunza kanjani ngala kuyavakala so nangiqhumisa ijoke nekhaze lonke le class bayiva ngale boron utamva rona nasesiphuma ku break ekuse bekoneka ngana eva bahleka ngaka ukuthi 10 yabo kwaba indlela kanjalo
Sikoleni Ron wena what's your take?
Yeah, esikoleni bengigrand mina. Akusukuthi mhlawumbe ayiphakamisa bengigrand vele because from form 1 okay form 1 sinangifika noma ngicela primary bengifuze Big Band. sikhuluma Singisi esikolweni. Kungavumeleki nje ukukhuluma isiSwati, then wapenshela babe basebenza ematrackini, sahamba sohlala ekhaya Stegi. Fika ekhaya Stegi angena high school form 1, isikole sisemakhaya, dela ukukhuluma Singisi mina. Fika ngibamba so long ngifuna ukubamba le level yale la ngibuya khona ngibambela emakhaya. Angirecognize amathishela angifaka kubo debating nabo spelling bee form 1 ngifika. Then saya Stegi edolobheni for my school's competition lo debating in spelling bee. Spelling bee against 11 schools, betting 12 ngale sethu. Ngaba number 1, certificate nje sekhona silekhaya. Ngaba number 1 ka spelling bee. Then from then ngase sengena ka debating and the public speaking. A debater from form 2 with debating. Ngayiqala khona up until form 4. Debater with different schools khona elibonjeni ufakathi bombaka high, Nyetane high, Mbolonjeni high. Nakhona my highest position ngekhona noma our highest position because we see team ka debating number 3 against quite club 10 11 le class yase Stegi. Then ngaqhubeka nge public speaking, ngihlangene ama presentations esikolweni, ngihlangene wenda mhlambe naye singesikolo ngikhulumisana English teacher wami. So in the public speaking nganale side le comedy belikhona because I had an intelligent mind of creating jokes. But njengoba ngishilo ukuthi angeke udibane nami emgwaqweni uthi ngicomedian. Ngibekise nje William Last hamba Trevor Noah. William Last ungambona sengakhuluma ukuthi ucomedian, but Trevor Noah ufuna zakhuluma uzombona ukuthi ukhona khona khuluma stage. So yeah, esikoleni bengiright, ngiphasana kahle, ngiright nje. Songthu nje bese right up until singena comedy nakhona kwaceka kancane, but still nakhona saqhubeka sazama kubamba le nanga. Yabo.
Ngibamba standard. Then
Yeah.
ni decide nini ngekuthi yabona ke nyalo. Siyabangena full force. Ngeke nazama empilweni ukuthi mhlambe nithi khanze ngoba siyathi ukuthi following passion akusiko lula, especially in the country ngoba ayibhadali.
Especially futhi sihlala emakhaya.
Exactly. Nalo kufanele niconvince batali niconvince wonke and saba investile phela kufunza as an investment now sebagazile ukuthi lokho sebacetha mebata emvasi sitawuphumula and all of that. What are the challenges that you guys have faced?
Bana le criticism ekuqaleni beyihayi kakhulu, beyiningi. Because okay, before our first performance esikolweni senda lokwe video. Sikwenza lokwe video sakufaka lapha njengoba shilo King Mora ukuthi bekude ama views singalike yabo. Nasenda ama video baba like nasibuya incingo sifuna kwentani tasita ngale mfo lesendako ngeke usibhadale niyathi musinihlala Swatini futhi nanihlala emakhaya lemvu ufuna ngazi usungale bomanzini noma sahlale Stegi noma ele emaveni ufike wende khona ukuthi okhona usuthole imbasha nini ndlala ngesikhathi usho basemangweni nabasibona sibambele icingo lesilibolekile sizama kushuthi
akuvele lo stelbolekile
besilibolekile
besilibolekile angesiqale mabe basibabashuthisa
sizama kushuthi video basina basendlula nje babe like basibukele phansi yabo kuthi ngenyenzayo ngalinvo yena yabo.
Yes. Nyabakhumbula abanye amagama abona basho.
Siyabakhumbula manje ngesibasho la.
Story ngaqoqela.
Yeah, okay, aye.
So send my video sibene with a passion for the comedy. Satshela nje will never give up until we make it. Nayo senga sise we haven't made it but we are hoping ukuthi setawo yabo. So challenges were there and there were many nasesikolweni, some of them bebangasithanzi even though some bebasithanza, even emateacher nakhona sitshela ukuthi nakani msebenzi esikole nifuna ngenenzawo ngayo. Funza uhambe emvasi wonke naku khona kuphila lo angenenzawo but sichubeka. Never gave up. Sichubeka shaya up until isi perform sabona bamfuso basithanza sathi no we can do this thing yet because bamfuso basithanza phela baningi labasithanzako than labasinyanyako and sesiperforming nase stadium esimunye crowd yahlanya ama jokes they were funny yabo sabona ukuthi more asichubeke sihlala emakhaya fine said incwadi ekushuta but asibena lithemba ukuthi one day sitaba nako futhi one day sizakhona ukuthi sibe ngcono than labantu lesingibonyalo.
Yeah, njengoba asho nangidemands yabona na ukhuluma ngalendzaba lemuva sometimes kuba emotional. Yeah, angifuni ukukuyenga ekulikhuni. Yeah, cause nasiqala lendvo bekuthiwa aningani kufuna umsebenzi ndakuhlekisa abantu. Bekusho kanje. And I just remember some of the people. Yabo ngaba like kusele. labantu abakahle kahle kwendekani because nabo ngibophala kufuna basinike amandla because bathi charity begins
basekhaya.
at home ufuna iqalela ekhaya ngase mina hey wena senda njani yalo lana ngahlala ngethwa ke nami okay Rona ngekho because Rona ngambona ukuthi I know ufocus ngihamba ngathi cancel ngathi kusayathini. Let me just forget about the negative people. Ngifocus ukuthi kusathi nyalo iGlenville lena siyayenda ngasimnanzi. I just remember sithe licingo ngaya kulenye ekhaya belifika lekhaya ngihamba ngiyocela kuGuppy Foundation ufuna ukuthi ngalicingo ngasi nangifika ngigubha le foundation okay kwaba netinkinga kusho lo muntu nakafika lapha kusho noma imphakathi bebangam-approve kahle yabo yabo so yabo ukuthi nalo
bese bayafuna kwakha angayithola imvume
ngiyakho nazococa noma abo so serious ngathi so
so ngabona lokuthi shikuse okay wangibhadala imali encane but mina bengidiscover ukuthi bengithishe ukuthi ngidawu wakhe imali encane
kahle unofit man wena
no mina ngihlukene vele ngimlohlukene kaningi so ngabona lokuthi shikuse yathi kuseni kwafaila into le ngathola imali encane ngathi esithi esaqhubeka secela abantu ukushuthisa nayo yonke into abantu basicriticize emzini isifana singaki nawo uthi mhlawumbe nakhona uyoshuthi ivideo uvese kuvuka umsebenzi wasekhaya vele ufuna uwenda kusekhaya so uyabo ukuthi vele bekulukhuni and info lezi i-challenge sibenayo ekhaya kakhulu bebangayi-understand le ndva ngibasoli because bona bathi umntwana kuze indlela bathi akuhloniphela yona yinye ukuthi uye esikolweni kuthi na ubuya lana nofuna kweshutha amavidiyo ividiyo abayathi nokuthi takusita ngani nendani lo mdlalo wenu so sesifikele sikhuluma bantu ohlanyele siyahlanyela ekhaya funa kuyohlakula inzabe comedy nje ayiviwa ukuthi nendani lendve emavidiyo eni hey usuka lokushisa kanje bathi tasisa ngalokushisa kanje ngihambe almost eCameroon bekubuhamba almost ngathini I think boma 25 minutes mabomu kunyuka ngikhona mangisuka ekhaya liyavathela langa latu
warona kude kuwe
not bangedikini not
bengihlengiya but yabona kumele ukuthi kuthe
mangimele ukuthi kuthe the problem why benginyuka ngeCameroon kule Cameroon la besiboleka khona lecingo yabo so lo mvulena vele ngithi next athi uthini manje ukhona nimzalo wakho la uzame ukusibolekela le phone
ngibani imzala phana nimbongeni uneligama mzala unifake egemini mzala
siyambonga mzala
Siyambonga.
mbuka
Mavide
yacabana namzala
nasicabana mzala nanyalo i-top fan
uneso dlamini
yes nika nishara tajabulu investile kinzane
mavide efekuqala nje ashuthwa ngefoni yakhe
Yeah.
siyabonga mzala khona siyabonga kakhulu
siyabonga
ke kazi
so kwaba kanjalo ngaba like eshekuse athi kuthini lana sikhohle ngabantu abanegative siqhubeke sipushe line yabona ngizama ngumatani zokuthi yabona ekhaya ngidawuvuka early ngendele imisebenzi yasekhaya ngabe kufuna ngifutha umbila ngathini ngiyokufutha umbila ngende yonke lento fast ngendele ukuthi ngalesikhathi sekushutha ngaba affected but nababuka bangasibona izathu ukuthi bangibide ngathi usekutafuna ngibenza mama sengiyovala ingoma because ngasekhaya mistake so ngabana ukuthi sesese athi kuthini vele tangisitala na angichubeke ngizame kude kwabakudimisela nikutitshela ukuthi kusasa ufise kuphila ngalembo
yakuthi from the last time ulana na bhuta wakho nje sekuthi soyaglowa sogene neweight
angisonami
okay yathi mina ukuthi nani
nakhona lapho ngikucocele ukuthi kwendekani Aaron investment nsethe siva kuthiwa kunemflowini award yabona in ngishayela nsethe ngithi how's it ngiyathi introduce sicela buka kanjani ngithi sicela ude lana nsethe ngabona lomu ngabona lokhu kwatshela nsethe kwathi hayi man ngongifake nami scheme sengiva nsethe yangishayela
the problem is don't understand man
nesitane banele nabhuti wami nyawushinga scheme how
wait let me just help you look the reason why ngitala kule podcast nanzethe sebeyabhalelwa ngimo music
but singakufuni wena ngesikhathi sakho eside sokuthi angasofaka isitudio nawe
lo mfana kithi nzethe phela mfana kithi nzethe kufuna ukuthi la kunanzethe khona ngivele
inganakekho yena nyana
kunethi izathu uyabo so
okay ukhona ufuna ukusho
ngifuna ukuchube ukukhuluma
no bengiya enzabeni nyalo yekuthi it's a good thing it's not a bad thing ngalothi shothi nyalo nyakhona ukudla kuleli talent I'm assuming what are the challenges ke noma ngithi uyimonetize kanjani le comedy but before ufike la monetizing ngifuna kwazi ukuthi who inspired you guys to start comedy? Benilook up to bani?
Okay.
Ngiyaqala.
Mina bengibukela Trevor Noah, maskits akhe. Like Facebook, sahlala Big Bang semntuyivele. Afunza leyo bomborantshise Methodist Primary. I remember the show wakhe asawune South Africa before USA ngwabukela ka Mnet Movies ku DStv. Wangichaza yabo stand up comedy sakhe sangichaza ngaba nalokuthi nami ngifuna kwenda yabo this type of thing. Yabo the comedy. So ngacala ngibhale ama jokes. Ngathi nama sengicala ngicreate nje ama jokes yabo. Post up on Facebook. Sengekho more. Post up on Facebook. Post up on Facebook. Up until ke efika Mora. Wasinake efika Mora. Ngayibona le potential yekubafani la kuye. Cause Mora akadzinga stage kuze akuhlekise. Afika nje esikolweni. Khuluma nje kabili kathathu kuhleka sonke esikolo. Yabo. Saba like ngabana like okay we can do something na cause nami bekude vele ngasebenza naye. Can do something na King Mora. Yabo mhlambe sende something sibona ukuthi sihlanganisa ini kanjani kuze kuphume something le solid. Wangikhani ke saqala senda level video yokuqala sahlangana sa in the partnership ukuthi sitabanga Roland King.
So in short u-inspiration Trevor Noah.
Exactly.
Ngifuna lokho wanyalo. Zishe
good long inspiration. Good.
Usho nje
mina ngadibana Ronnie kwathi iqhumela wayetulu.
Mhlambe ngamsupport cause lo njengoba ngishilo ukuthi lokubafani kula kuye. Kula kuye nje. Athi ukuthi abone umuntu flofana ukuze naye azame kuba njengaye noma abe inspired. Kula kuye.
The monetization side kenyalo ukuthi so ya glowa. Hey, look tough, ne? But ya elevate ngiyabona amadili wasayipress and other stuff lo hlala ugcwala utasitshela ngawo nyalo maybe. Imali how do you monetize nifika njalo isigaba leso kulama challenges? Just to brief nebantu abazama kwenda le comedy ukuthi there's light maybe at the end of the tunnel.
Okay. Lokho sihlala Swatini kulukhuni kokuqala nje. Indaba ya monetization la Swatini kulukhuni because in as much as ikhona le light at the end of the tunnel but in reality ithi Facebook la Swatini usangabhadali. Bo YouTube usangabhadali. Yabo. So thina ke mina Rona King Mora sase nasibuka lokuthi Facebook akabhadali ama video ngeke asinikete imali lokwaposta yabo online. Sase sezinale brand yethu iba professional ngendlela ukuthi ikhange ema-business ukuthi investe kithi swamarketele in return of something yabo phela ngonyanga. So we professionalized our brand ngendlela ukuthi ibe attractive to ama-business. Sikhona ukuthi i-business ibe ne-interest ukuthi simarketele mhlambe their product in exchange for salary. So that's how we monetize the sponsor sethu ukuthi sifakele imali leyo lesifakela yona nyalo. Usivele sihamba leyo route leyo ngisho because Facebook vele la Swatini ngcono ngale South Africa bababhadala ba Facebook sina basangasibhadali but hola ngama business
ufile maqatha lokho.
Okay man ngikwendeni mina ebanele
awukude mina ngiyajabula mina ukuthi hawu from the last time mhlambe na Ronnie satophinde simbida next time naye ngiyambona nyala ngithi nakabuya improve ile ngidawushaya tandla ngithi hayi no
umfati isibili.
Exactly umfati isibili uphethe kahle. So kanjalo njengoba ibekile Ron ukuthi nithi package in a way
ukuthi kahle is to apply the professionalism kule brand. Kukhuni ke apply professionalism but to be honest njengoba ngichaza ngakubekisela nje kwakha ibrand is not an easy thing yabona. Akusiko easy. You need to work extra hard for it. You have to do my sacrifices and everything. Yabona. Because I just remember nje ngisahlala ngexa la kamanzini sengafika Ron. Bekwendiye ama sacrifices la ngetulo. Ngisuke lana mangihlanganisa imali because lapho bese ngathola ama deals right. Mhlambe ngihamba mangabe le content le style shooter it out singatinzo le kanzi ngidaspenda boma close to 150. Sengatinzo tale content. Sengaboma phamalathi yogadele enkulu ngisengatinzo langabe le content itawufaka kahle
ukuthi
actor sidla.
Yabo ngikubeka nokuthenga ijuice ngiyibona seyiswenda.
Bathi ngisangimi. Yambona
Hayi
abanele.
kubuyela lapho. So that sando shithane kudla mngani.
Tsanu wena. Ngakuthengela ijuice ngesikhathi ngithenga yami.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So kwaba indlela kanjalo ke so bengisebe lama sacrifices kahle if lengakutshela wena empilweni na ufuna ukuthi ube grand upush. You have to do ama sacrifices and wathi ke ukuthi leso sinqumo lotasithatha la empilweni. Le stuck seat asimnanzi. Sibhitha siyababa. Ngokubekisela njengoba upusha i-podcast right. Bathi mhlambe kufuna mbe uyoba maybe force. Sengubekisela nje ukuthi mhlambe le podcast ayibhadali. Sekufunele podcast uyayithanza. But ukuze ukhona ukuphila kahle ufuna endeni ufunekele lokuthanzayo khethele lokutakisida. So timfone kanjalo ke.
So in short ngicela ngeta kancane kule question yakho.
Ngicela ngithuthele more because akwade ukuthi ngithuthele ama behind the scenes ngecingo lakhe.
Oh nena banethano nofuna kuvela nami. I don't mind ukuvela nami.
Ngifuna ngeta kule nguphendula na pertaining your question ukuthi mhlambe ama upcoming content creators noma comedian noma whatsoever since kungabhadali lo wabo Facebook funa zame ukuprofessionalize ibrand yawo ukuze atokhona ku-attract ama-business because kuleyo ndlela kwanyalo losongakhona kuphila ngayo ibhizinisi ayimthanzi kumvu lo snacks mhlambe longagcoki kahle lo behavior immature mhlambe ngisho njalo yabo ithanza umvu lo respectable logcoka kahle lo presentable lo dveta kahle esiveni because nje ngapha lenkulu ngeke ibethu sibe brand ambassador ibe usnacks yabo nje ngigconjani so brand ambassador so professionalize your branding ube presentable audience so lesingapha nayo tokhona ukuthi ikuthathe ikumarketele ama products ayo ikuholele lokuncane tokhona kuphila because ngaphandle kwaloko kwanyalo as we speak kude vele ngendlela.
Speaking of products, guys, njengoba sesiphusha product like Kristo njengoba ngishito, pass me, guys, gents, Explorers, Smash Burgers, make sure ukuthi namhla everyone they sponsor their podcast, guys. Manje ngifuna Explorers, Smash Burgers sponsor the podcast, guys. Listen. No, ngifuna kuyitesta live. I mean, it's not fair for me, guys, to be quite honest. Ukuthi ngidawuthi ngiyayitesta ngoba ngidawupresent ngoba I genuinely like the burger ngiyabona. So ngithe ngitabe ngina Rona King Mora ngicela bangendele something and ngifuna ukuthi nilethe honest review. Nilethe honest review ne live of the burger.
Okay, no problem.
Bese guys, make sure you check out Explorers Smash Burgers Total bafethu lapha ezulwini. Lapho khona i-fixed location khona. That's where you can go order Smash Burger and make sure ukuthi uba mnandi, guys. You see what I mean? Most importantly, bakhona pheze na app Tumo ne. Tumo they are available. My chips benzite my chips atholakala Tumo akhona the burgers plus chips are available on Tumo. Tumo ke what's Tumo, guys? Mean I've to be quite honest, angati kakhulu, but it's an app ne that delivers food around the country. Maybe we must get the two more people to come through also to tell us more about the brand. I don't know if I've heard this burger, but
no, ibukinhle yona.
Yeah, presentation.
Yeah, presentation.
We negate short presentation 9 over 10.
Okay, ngakimi ngeke ngikhulume nyalo kuthiwa ukhuluma umlomo ngilomeni.
It looks good, ne? I don't know what flavors we are having. I think they forgot to tell us. We'll see what flavors we're having. Now I'm going to try. Smash the fresh thing away. I always make sure I take them every time.
I feel it's a smash.
So when ifakela kimi.
Yabona kube kuthiwa empilweni uvumele ukuthi 200%. Bengathi 100% manje ngawuphula le percent ngithi 99%. Nansi.
But guys, please make sure you also check them out on their socials. They'll put out all the details here, the numbers, and Explorers. Send out a man then tawadla.
Oh,
Send out a man then tawadla. Nyala.
No, imnanzi mina ngifuna uqamba manga. Smashback. Kutholakala kuphi?
Itholakala ezulwini.
Ezulwini. Oh.
Lapha Total.
Mina ngiyakhuluma ngemanga.
Lapha lesetengwa EPH.
Oh, angikhulumi ngemanga audience yethu. Imnanzi lebhek. Imnanzi. Benge ngiklume kabili kuba kuthiwa isimnanzi. Mina luma kanye ngibeke lapha phansi. But nami sengiklume kaningi ngaye. Nakuba namoto wayichitha.
Ngisengayiva mina ngaphola lenye.
Ufuna lenye wena?
Top male result.
I still make sure ukuthi
I don't accept the Imnanzi. Shut down.
While we're still having the beggar because we can do whatever we want. This is our podcast. That means if you guys were to go on tour, kuthiwe nihamba niya tour. Njengoba kutoda something la nishada khona yero ndasitshela about it. Ngibani engahamba naye? Top 3 comedians. Kule tour yenu. Local.
Ngihamba naye kanjani ke manje ngena ship.
Ngapha mora. Ngithi nani ngaya tour. Utho shothi vele niyahamba ngithi. Ngibani ema comedians la kangwani la ngi3 then ngaya nawo kule tour.
Nasiya.
Nane show.
Okay. Mhlambe singabuka.
Guys, you can't do that.
Mshomba.
You can't do that. Top 3 comedians then ngafaka kule show.
Okay, yabo kube kuthiwa manje xa uphendvula.
Mora ibheka. Kunama chips also la bonini. Nomntu atwalete.
Ngisafuna ama-fries man.
Ishabuke manje ethiwa le question lana usibude mhlambe before stokhona banye lesikhathi sekubabuka. Asengithi stakuphendvula nasibuye.
We have time now.
Ngiyangisengababuka kahle man because ngangithe top 3. So nangikhuluma top 3 basho ukuthi labanye abashiya.
Okay, mina sofanya lema comedians lengibona ngathi lengwana kike. I2. Ngirona King Mora. Angifuni ukuyanga ngicela singasangeni deep yabo. Ngirona King Mora nje.
Guys, do you think the answer is fair? When the industry beef, you can't. Don't play that card, James. Don't play that card, James. Okay, who are comedians that you like from the country?
So Sanzako.
Sengiyisa lapho ke
nya. Sanza onke shemla khona.
La khona.
Top 3 waTsanzako.
Manje lo sesithina
labantu. Mina waSanza onke ngekufana shema comedians abangwane. Onke nje athifana nina nakini.
Bani phela naso sisho ama top 3 wena la labanye.
Vani.
Yabo ama comedians aswathini khona mekuqiniso. Basha sponsor. Onke futhi enwatiko nane enwatiko nina babukela emakhaya. Basha sponsor mina I love their work. Ya ngasho nje njalo ngibathanza bonke mina bathanza bonke futhi mhlawumbe onke nje la khona laba watiko
ngani ngapha ekwathanzeni kwena ngathi for opportunity niyakuthola isindawashiya
sawashiya asikasho
bobani ke leningahamba
naye satobuka
kude kubuka la
okay bana ngathi
states la kadoda ngangwana nqebe kuse state kuthi there's a lot
sengathi ningisikhathi sebaqheke sekubaphenja bophathi nje
don't do that thing okay nginibekise unagogo kunasilwane unabongiswa na Darren Unamdura, Unagedlembani, yeah, that's the one thing about comedian. Or sengibale ngafika for Ronnie na King More.
Bani?
Christian Tudo lo hlalathi ke ngifike ebonini shout out to Christian Tudo ngibukela na episode yakhe la. Yes, senginibale 6, nginibale from the top of my head. Nisine kulo 6 ngiyabatsanza but ndabashiya bonke.
Oh, ligama lekushiya.
Top 3, you are on top. Okay, Picanic Law 6, sengin shortlistele Picanic Law 6.
Bani lusifaka nje pattern.
Utawusho munye.
Ngangicela bekuthiwa kababali at least because lokusobabali naso sasikhiphe 6 what about lesingesibakho bathini ke lo ngababali
benginikhumbula phela ngoba ngithi benifuna kwenta ngathi ma superstar
mina we can start noma ngibani la kipi nasibabuke kahle because angithi phela ngeke uthathe umvunga mbuku.
The event is coming up now. Ne, you guys are getting married. Who's on the lineup? Local comedians.
Okay, mina ngisho lineup. Ngene kakhulu akutshela lineup. Kuna Ronnie King Mora, kube na Poet Amandla.
I'm talking about comedians.
Wait, kube na Ngwenye. Kube na Lanyanzeni. Bese uba nguStufuza.
DJ Ease.
Bese uba ngu-DJ Ease. Bese uba ngizithe musician. I-line-up bese kuba ngubani? Ngilapho.
Oh, Pepe. Pepe. Oh yeah, Pepe. Ukhona MC.
Animbali na Pepe na Shorty. Yobona bo base guys.
Ngisimbethile mosana nakusihamba naye.
Angababali top 3.
Angifuna top 3
man.
Yabo top 3. Njengoba ngisho angicela bekuthiwa awukababali ngemagama. Because nasi nje bese ngithi 1.
No, but I had to list them because you guys did not want to mention them.
Instead mina kuwe we can pick anyone asisibabukile.
Sisho
I would stabashiya we can pick anyone from them.
You guys are just acting like superstars for nothing. Comedians.
It's not about that.
Comedians. Angeke siye as a country la ngabe ntathwana athola opportunity to handle istanto ngaba nabo from the sport.
Ngabe kona le khona nyalo la
ayikho.
Simbukile naye sambona
ukuthi whatever but angisitanda kuma comments basho ukuthi maybe ngimi lo exaggerator ngo but kuma comments kude lengushito mina ngithi there's no okay listen if we can flip the script kimi kuthiwe ke ngithola opportunity ngiyahamba ngentitho ye live podcast kuthiwe ngibani ama podcast maybe ngihamba nawo even though amancane but I'll be able to mention ukuthi okay maybe no you see what I mean
so benesikhathi wababuka
it's an opportunity wena shothe na kukosa ukuthi uhambe ucaba ama comedian kuna gogo nje nasilwane number 1 ngeke loba uthi ngizobacabanga fana Ronaldo na Messi abantu labo nje ucala ngabo
ufana Ronaldo na Messi
ngisho boleni
okay man okay ngiyakuva
now if you think of soccer international soccer you're thinking Ronaldo Messi if you think of Eswatini comedy you think of Gogo and Silwane tell me if I'm lying
Angikuphisa
mina
okay what do you think of when you think of Eswatini comedy you should have an answer ke nyalo ngoba angeke uzuthi ayinani bese you don't come with facts mina those are my facts
wena
akho ke phela you can't just say no what are yours
okay man ami ngirona mora njoba ngichazile
okay utawuvakala taba audible yini ngifuna ukuthi abe audible is there a way la ngaba audible ngayo okay ngidakuphinza le question
una sponsor sifaka 300,000 sithi sponsor sifuna ama comedians noma ama comedian slang 4 sponsor sithi tafaka 300,000 sifuna new perform eJozi sifuna ama comedians lang 4 you guys are 1 lo 3 lo munye lenthi ningendawo hamba niyojathela abantu le ubani
singababuka ke labo sitokhona
singababuka cause lapho
bathi kude
asikasho bane ningasifake
bathi kude la
manje banele angithi phela before the show
ngilanda ngisho
ngathi ke we come back to you
sababuka something to you
boba lengabafaki le list engaba consideration
manje yabo
who would you consider ukhetha kunabo bawubebede ngamagama ngokuthi ngibalekane ukubaliste
ngafuna ngibukele le show ukuthi
man ngiyayibona le plan lenzama ke into ngathi PR we're going to move on to this question fast ngithi mina kule list bobani lofuna ukuthi ukhethe isindawo ukhetha kunabo
okay man ngaphendvula depende le show inhlobo yale show ukuthi kanjani because phela
that's the point
ngeke ubite man ufuna ukubukela le show kuqala ukuthi kanjani bese khanda uyabuka ukuthi ngibalulungele le show
okay name 3 comedians watikwa la kangwane
lengwatiko ungatongolo wabali
3 name 3
ungatongolo wabali ngathi swati ongera ama comedians la kangwane swati ongera man wabali
bahethi labantu laba anendala ama comedians amadoda
kude anendala ama comedians ukuthi ama comedians zethu swathanza ongera kangwane
hayi nabo
we are happy for them
sabona but before sibabite tafuna sibole show ukuthi kanjani bese abuthi from them bobale singabaphika because ngeze phela sibathe sebuka
yes
okay who are upcoming comedians again advance better
upcoming
like because laba yesaba established who can we expect and ngathi maybe you know ukuthi njenga Mora you sport talent ukuthi le outline itarabi obani maybe you give them a shout out
now to upcoming so kanjani
umuntu lo lesengamadi kangako ukuthi nje simaswati sengamadi kangako
sengamadi
but uyeda ngabekisa ngani ben upcoming nine maybe nanisese sikolweni yes noma nanisashizile sengicethe isikole but we trying to ngifuna bo 50 likes nanithwala 100 in celebrate bobani ke bantu abanjengalabo labenti comedy la lenibabona uthi ayish bayeta beta kahle
khona wabonile no
upcoming comedians Ngizama ukucabanga manje bani because ngimane ngidida ngile question ukuthi upcoming up until when? You make
Okay, nina nyala nisema upcoming.
Sini.
Nini nyala?
Sima comedians.
Sima comedians.
Upcoming comedians or
ngifuna kuva lokho la ukuthi wena
mina ngubekisele lo upcoming. Ngubekisele ngani ngestory sen based on leni sitshelela.
Okay, asong the difference between upcoming and established comedians.
According to me, ngale story ngentshele sona ngifuna ukusibekisa kini. Ngifuna nto understand. Upcoming le khani uthi uset iPhone, une iPhone mura nyana. Uthi uset deal. Send them a deal.
Oh.
You see, basa struggle to get the bare minimum.
Upcoming.
Good nabo. Oh,
No,
guys.
okay,
Asengenza ama-comedian. Asengenza ama-comedian.
Asingasinike isikhathi
upcoming nasengawadi.
Sengawadi. Naw ngawadi.
Sathi laba babalile thina njengoba ngishilo.
Njengoba babalile.
Laba establish abavele sebatiyo. Siyabadi ke la.
Bobani.
Lo bashito.
Siyabadi lo bashito.
Lo
Guys,
bashito.
you have a show lengifuna nisixoxele ngayo where you guys are getting married, ne? But before sifike kulo sinisichaze ngeshow. Ngicela ningishayele skit of what la Nkosi maybe how do you tell him Ndimanzi which maybe nje nisakhela isini maybe uyambikela ukuthi umfana ngekho. I don't know how you guys do it before nesichaze sile show what can you expect and nini
like uthi uyambikela noma like because le show phela
ngisho kini nyalo for the podcast ngithi mina ngicela ukuthi like la Nkosi akhulume nawe ngendlela lentabe lenhlani ikhulumisana ngayo ekhaya.
Oh.
Bese ke ngiyasichazela after about the events that's coming.
Okay.
Shothi angicreate situation. La Nkosi uthanda ukuthi umfana use daycare. Maybe singathi umfana ufuna imali ucela imali ke esibhedlela.
Okay man umfana use daycare nyalo.
Ushito njalo use daycare.
Manje man okay man lokubudwa nokuthi umntwana use daycare wathi use daycare.
Phela ngifuna ukuva la Nkosi ulandva ngibani ngimi noma ngiwela mhla kwesitulo ngimlanzile mina.
Ulandva
Hayi la Nkosi uyabona ke nyalo uyabona wena hlezi ufaka imisebenzini intoti.
No umsebenzi kanjani mina ngakutela ngakuthola umntwana 9 months nokuthola umntwana 9 months
kunjani?
Ukucabanga ukuthi bangithole kumini.
Ngindvodza phela Nkosi wena umfana irresponsible.
Kusho bani ukuthi indvodza kanjani?
Man okay.
Mfana utamnaka umnaka usatomnaka ngomntwana yatiye.
Wena phela wakho ufuna umnaka. Wena nje njalo nje kona konke.
Le hloko lomntwana nje layavundla 9 months asino expect singithini mina lapho. Wahlala la kimi. Kufuna ukuthi umnaka utamnaka.
Ngithola ngimi nakuthanda lanzo ngimi nami ufuna lanzo ngimlanza nini kanona. Pheze ngiyamikisa.
Ngamina ngamlanza yini noma ngamthwala. Kunakulanza nekufala kusho ngamthwala mina ngimlanza.
Hayi la Nkosi angiyani.
Wena uthi uqonda ukuthi ngakupressa. Uzathi pressa straight.
Yini kupressa by the way? Now uthi utampressa umuntu usukusho ukuthini?
Sonzala. Sanzela lana ngabo. No.
Ngaze kwento example ngami. Okay guys, the show, tell us about the show. What can we expect? What is it about?
Okay, ngeshow nje kuyaba kumnanzi kakhulu. Now ufuna kuhleka ungadikhanuki. Get your ticket today. Cyprus Basket napa efficient emporium. Hamba uthengala ticket VIP 220 General 100 Rand. VIP ifayikhathi plata for 1 imila Cyprus. So ufuna ticket lakho na ufuna kuhleka ujabule.
Is a free ride about master.
Yes, free
from town to Coatsville. Retention foods. Okay, ngiphendule lo mbuto kuyibo sobuto kuthini? Mbuto kuthi show
yes. Tell us about the show.
It's a comedy show.
Ngati nje lo discover nyalo nakabo singine show.
Okay, mhla 8 November we are hosting a comedy show. It's a comedy show by the way, but themed under a wedding format because it follows our script. The script is ishago thina sabo mawakhe nababo wakhe.
Okay.
So kule script you are supposed to get married. But sihlanzethe ingqondvukene na King Mora sathi ke let us turn the script mhlambe into a live show.
Okay.
Lo mshado ube live in front of an audience. Singa act nje ukuthi okay bashade evidweni sababukela cingweni siya like siya comment but asikwenda kube show sikutime under le wedding follow le script sethu. So it's a comedy show akushada mbamba siyashada kona according to the script. You understand? But it's never send live.
Yes. Live audience.
Live audience in front of a live audience. Comedy show themed under the wedding format.
Yes, ngesikhona ingena deep ukuthi kuyawendekani. Umuntu akathole iticket yotibonela le.
So yabona wathi umshado nje kusemshadweni kwenda kanjani. Utabe kwenda exactly in terms of deco, dressing, bridesmaids, groomsmen, everything. Tabe kanjalo vele. But Ngicomedy.
Ngecomedy. Nguve uthi unemvana lo ulo lomunye umvana. Sho sinemvana embili.
Angathi ke
Okay, lengakusho ngicela ngangena deep. Engizabe nidam right. Ngisho lokho nje mina because nangaqala nyalo kwendeti into okay fine asengubude nje wena. Kungiko lokuthi umuntu okhuluma ukuthi mina nginemfana kanjani la. Lokusona uhledi mine 7 months ungasebenzi unganginaki. Ngike ngabatshela. Ngikusuke ngani? Yabona ukuthi awuphile.
Bengisaba ukuthi ngingifada of 2 kanti
wona enhloko hola la. Cabanga la enhloko. Mina uhledi 7 months ngunaka. Yangifamos. Ngambe ngona imali yangwenya lese kufuna ngize ngikhulume. Ngibuya ngilonaka wena.
Imali yangwenya.
Ngambe ngona imali yangwenya ngilonaka wena la.
Guys, how can people get hold of you and nitholakala kuphi inkundla into ekuxhumana social media nenombolo nabafuna ukunibooka and all of that?
Facebook official page ethu Ronnie King Mora. Then nga TikTok mina Ronnie_Sikhonze. Yeah. King Mora ka TikTok in King Mora _Swaziland ka TikTok.
Yes.
Nombolo yami ntakhulumela yakhe. Nombolo yami 78191836.
79245078 makhozi ka WhatsApp 76668154.
Manje ngathi awufuna lokuyibika.
But sewayivile. Okay, nalokunye ke because
business
khona lolobo bokubudile ekuqani bengisho ukuthi ngishela story. Apha sele chain ngisho ukuthi bani bebasicekela pass right. Washo nje lo mnyawo sendakuhlekisa abananingana emsebenzini. I remember this year early this year yebo we signed the contract ne Cypress Basket April. Sathi nasisayina then sabahlala phansi ne management nebaphathi. Sahlala sabuka ukuthi singayisita kanjani Cypress nayo ingasita kanjani. So sahlala phansi ukuthi no ngasita nema ideas singRonnie King Mora brand. Sahlala phansi sabona ukuthi singenda kanjani kuze ine Cypress benefits ukuthi nathi benefits kiyo. So sa announce school tour ukuthi ngidahamba ngendise ma eating competition la tikolweni. So banginiketa imoto. Masuke ekhaya mina ngisuke ngingakwadi kushayela. Ngisuke ngidi license. So ngasina ngifika la ngeart. So uyabo indlela ngidiscover mina ungaqala ufike esigabeni seye ukuthi ukuthathele pass lokwendako. Sifika la nathi lesingakwadi kushayela singathi but namhlanje ama license 7000 heavy duty ngeart. So wena ufuna wathi story sakho uthini ngesho gama le podcast?
What's the story?
Exactly. Naku lokuthina ufuna ukwadi na le story sakho ukuthi wena yini why uqaleleni uyabona. So then banginika le moto wathi decide ukuthi ngiyele ngasemakhale. So I met lo mjita lo washo njalo. Ato hamba almost 1 hour mabom ngestation. Ayi emsebenzini. La ngemva kuthola amapizza kusithi.
Faka isudu amapizza
man ngifake nesisudu phela ivela nje. Mvalo ngambona ngathi hey wangivusela ngeke ngimusho. Mvalo ngathi mina hawu ekhamba kanjani eShop ngavile ngamisa imoto ngehla ngashifta kancane lamapizza ngamfaka la khaze emotweni ngamlift.
The very same person
ngambuthi futhi mina ukuthi angizongeke ku-out kumbuthi. Ngathi mina anyways athi kuthini angimlifte ngende kahle mina noma yena ngabe angicriticize. Emveni kwalokho wathi nasiyabona sesiphusha sokuqala soyasho ukuthi eksese niyaphusha sengizama lokukutshela mina ukuthi elifini even konke lama comedians lama upcoming noma wonke nje no comedian ekuse akaphushe empilweni ngitshela liqiniso anganaki bantu batam criticize but yena azamela ukuthi kuse uyishintsha njani le fame isalimbekela sinkwetafuleni. Because that's the point. Because kuba famous is not a problem ngaba famous. But kufuna ukubuka ukuthi lokuba famous kwakho ukulethela ini. So nje mina ngaba advisor nje onke ama comedians la khona nayo phushayo nonke ama artists onke umuntu ophushayo not futhi wonke umuntu ophushayo noma ngabe ngisisi noma ngabe uqala ibusiness angeke kubelula nakuqaleni but ekubeketele ukhona umvuzo. So abantu ababeketele baphushe
into lenhle futhi ayiqhamuke
ayiqhamukula ngizama ukuchazela you see mina lebe asola us criticize I was driving a company car Cypress Basket
uyahola nyalo ushaya imoto enkampani unema license everything because of le span ebas criticize before.
So mina nje ngile advice uthita ngibona njani nyalo ngaqala
ngithetha nyalo ngathi so i-girlfriend unayo
hayi
wayivuma mosicala lekhana wayivuma zayiphika nyalo
awu man
guys the last time he was here he told us he had a girlfriend that's why he changed lane Vele nomhlupheni bethu niqala phela ama-comedian.
Vele girlfriend.
Ngibani igama yakho? Unceda ekhamera. Bathi nagcizelela ubuka le
Hayi
camera.
angigcizelela.
Uyakuphika live mama. Na icamera ukhulume nayo.
Mfana make ngiyakuthanza ngokuphila but ngeke ngize ngichaze ngawe.
Bonke nyalo bathi akusukela. After this bonke ngaphela
phela ngento mhlambe le relationship yabo bebasengafuni ba public.
Yes.
So ngaba i-disrespect.
iqala ngabani igcina ngabani legama.
Bane.
Yiba angeke ngize ngikutshele.
Sosula nangiloko.
Yena ngisho angeke kodwa. Baby ngiyakuthanza la ukhona
Ukhona la yellow bone udark skin.
Hayi na ngeke ngisho.
Athathi ibona ukuthi vele usho yena.
Ngiyamathi mina ukuthi unjani.
Uzobhekani vela.
No, asirende kakhulu kule nto.
Khambani ngakuwe Ronnie.
Sengaqedza.
Girlfriend.
Sengaqedza.
Phela ngeke le mali sizayipress nidle nodwa madoda.
Ngiyangina girlfriend.
Oh sidla
Ubona
nemndeni.
even vote. Even vote.
Yeah,
Amaphulinga.
asengithola. Sengithola.
Ronnie na girlfriend.
Angina girlfriend.
Ngibanga sibonga. Ngibona na camera nayo ivuseni.
Ayina phela banye ngeke ngisho public njengoba ngishilo ukuthi bese ngingabi ready kuba public.
Okay ngijole for how long?
Sijole for how long? Isikhathi.
Guys, we'll see you guys on another episode. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, comment. Shout out to Smash Burgers, Store. Shout out to Kerry Store. Danko.